Hello guys, here is I have iPhone 12 Pro and is just keep turn on and off. It's showing up only Apple logo and then it's turned back off again. You can see it's just keep turning on and off. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Let me disconnect the battery again. It's already connected. Look like everything is good. Let me disconnect the battery again and put it back. See battery connection is loose or not. Let me plug in. Yes, it's showing up Apple logo. Let's see it's turning on or not. Is again turn off. And is again automatically turned back on. Look like it's battery issue. So we're gonna check another battery. We're gonna put another battery and see if phone is turned on or not. There is another new battery. Before install the new battery, we just connect the battery connection and check, make sure his phone is turned on or not. Remove the battery connection, previous one. Now we're gonna connect the new battery. It's connected. Let me plug in on charge. It's turning on. Look like it's the Apple logo. Looks good. Yes, it's turning on. So yes, it's battery issue. Let me unplug it. Okay, let me see. Yes, unplug it. Yeah, still his phone is on. So that's mean is battery issue. So we're gonna replace the battery. So that's the problem. Remove the battery now and remove the screen connection and speaker connection. And now we're gonna remove the battery with the tweezer back. We just lifting up and apply some alcohol here and push up. Apply some here also. Yes, it's come out easily. Yeah, we just removed the old battery. Let me clean the previous glue tape. We clean it already. Now we're gonna install the new battery. First we're gonna connect the battery connection. Then we're gonna install the battery on center. Yes, it's nicely installed. Now we're gonna remove the battery connection and install the screen. First we're gonna put the speaker connection, then we're gonna connect LCD connection, then battery connection. Now we're gonna install spare connection cover plate. And put it on all the screw here. Now you're gonna put the cover plate top of the screen connection. Now you're gonna install this screen. First we're gonna put it on top side. And then left side. Then right side we're gonna click it. Just press it on all sides. Make sure his screen goes inside all the way. Now we're gonna put the two screw on bottom side. We are done with the screw here. Yes, that's all right now. Everything is work fine. Let me know how you like this video, and thank you for watching.